ready to witness the power of heritage, harmony, and hope from the heart of Calabar, Nigeria, to the ears of the world? The Royal Fatherland Music presents a cultural masterpiece like no other. ASE 5.0, a musical concert and book launch that brings together ancient rhythms, modern harmonies, and timeless stories. Theme: Sosongo Obong, meaning Thank You, Lord. A soul-stirring celebration of original folk songs, classical compositions, and contemporary African music. Date: Sunday, 3rd August 2025. Venue: the Apostolic Church, Nigeria, 32 Ejeli Road, Calabar, Cross River State. Time: red carpet, 4 p.m. Main event, 5 p.m. prompt. Entrance is absolutely free. Just bring your passion for music, your love for culture, and your native attire. Ladies, don't forget your elegant head tie. Want to vote for your favorite composer? Get your composer voters card for just 500 naira. This is more than an event, it's a movement. A call to preserve our identity, empower our creatives, and unite voices from Africa and the diaspora. For sponsorship and inquiries, call 080-693-43320. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Theroyalfatherlandmusic. ASE 5.0, arranging the past, composing the future.